Needing details on car dent repair? Sometimes accidents happen in life from which we have needed a little madness to extricate ourselves successfully. François de la Rochefoucauld. Your car has a dent and you want to repair it yourself. Some people will tell you that you are crazy to think you can fix a dent yourself, but fortunately, you have a couple of options for easy do-it-yourself car dent removal. The tools and methods described herein will sound a little crazy but will give you a decent chance of successfully getting rid of certain kinds of car dents. Curious? Read on. Pulling out the dent. There are many excellent tutorials on the web that describe intricate and difficult methods that include drilling holes for pulling the dents. However, some kinds of dents lend themselves to an easier way of pulling them out: mere suction. Simply go to an automotive store or shop online for a suction cup dent puller that does not require any drilling. There are quite a few of these to choose from and the prices for them are not that bad, usually ranging from $15 to $30. Suction cup dent pullers work by forming a strong seal against the car's surface. Contact us today for some details on car dent repair.